Labubu. This video is about 5 accessories that are paying people millions now. If you start it now, you go run for work. You see, so this video is not about Labubu, but I have a question. Hi guys, good evening, and I'm making this video. The time is around 12 midnight, and I'm making this video. I want to ask a question. Why is no fashion designer talking about Labubu? Can someone just tell me why? No fashion designer is talking about Labubu. I will talk about it. Labubu is a toy made with fabric and is blowing the internet now. And I'm asking, why is no fashion designer talking about Labubu? You are waiting until when you cut bubu gown, until when you cut corset. That's when you know that you have arrived. My sis, you're on a long thing. People are cashing out with a lot of things. You don't need to wait for people to come to you. Go to customers. Go to customers. You don't need people to wait for people to come to you. Go to them with what you think they want. Now, I'm not saying Labubu is in the market now. I'm not saying you should start making Labubu. No. There are other accessories where they hang for bag that you can make. You see that thing where everybody they do, where people they rush. No be there the money they. That's not where the money is. Look for that nonsense thing where nobody they do. People I know they. And there then they cash out. There are also accessories. See, make it, pray over it, speak the word of God into it and forget the remaining. Make yours. Look for accessories to make. You mustn't sew boob. Make yours. Put it out there in the market and let God do the remaining. Please, if you know the current price of Labubu, help us to put it in the comment section. You get why? Now, Labubu is in the market. I didn't say you should go out there and start making Labubu. But there are accessories you can make. All these ones are accessories, fashion accessories. Pick one. Start blowing it. You know how to blow it? Make the clothes. If you're into bags, make the bags. Fix the accessories as gifts. I always talk about gifts. I always talk about giving. Let me tell you, if you don't give, you can't receive. If you do not give, you cannot receive. You must have to give something for you to receive. Many of you will sew cloth for somebody, you go throw away the pieces. Your pieces, people's pieces. You make clothes for people. Why are you keeping pieces? Why are you keeping people's pieces? Why are you putting them out? Because when you make clothes for people and there's pieces, be creative. Think of what you can make for that person to collect the person's thank you. For the person to say, oh, really? Thank you. It draws people back to you. Do you understand? It draws people back to you. I see people making clothes. You make a line gown for somebody and the scarf is tinting like this. When you can actually add enough. When you can use the scarf to make Zara cap. What is that collar stay doing in your peplon stay doing in your pieces bag? Why don't you bring it out? Use it to make Zara cap for them. Make something. Let your client be able to say thank you. You say you don't have work, there's no business not coming. The ones that are coming, how are you treating them? The customers that are coming, how are you treating them? Some of you, a lot of customers come into your shop. How much are you selling bubu gown? You tell the person it's 7,000 naira, you will sew. The person will now say, why is it not 3,000? I beg. Which kind of customer be this? This early morning, which kind of customer be this? Don't come here again. And it's something that bubu can is no dey use anybody. I tell people, use your environment and know how much you will charge. So what am I saying? You see that thing wey everybody dey do, wey people dey rush, no be there the money dey o. That's not where the money is. Look for that nonsense thing wey nobody dey do. People eye no dey. Na there dem dey cash out. I have somebody on the island here that just currently bought machine used to make socks. The kind of work that lady is getting every day, truckload of socks. If you see the lady, when she first got a shop close to us here, she used to be very chubby. Now she don go down. Work dey pursue am. Work dey pursue am. Look at, from nowhere, Labubu. Everybody na Labubu. Labubu, 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 Labubu. I heard it's now sold for 260,000. I dey ask myself, wetin happen? Don't come and tell me it's diabolic. It's not that, it's trend. People are crazy for trends now. It might be, I'm not God. It's only God that knows if it's going to be spiritual or something. But me, I feel it's trend. Because Michael Jackson, do you know how much some of Michael Jackson's clothes is going for? Some clothes wey he wear when he dey alive. Do you know how much they are? So people just want it because na so person will use them. I won't use them. Do you understand? Look for those things nobody is doing. Yes. That's what I told somebody, don't make two-piece again. The person they tell me say, don't make it again. People, a lot of people have it. If you must make two-piece, let me see a different two-piece. It might be two-piece with fringes. It might be two-piece with belts. Do that thing that nobody. Use it to bring out yourself. It's when you now use that thing to bring out yourself, people will not know, she dey do so thing, or she dey do, before you know, it's like getting the clients. Use something and bring out yourself from the crowd. If tailor dey your street 20, use one thing, bring out yourself. To be known for one thing. Say, oh, now this thing I dey do. Do you understand? Use it and bring out yourself, but you know how to do every other thing. Oh. That's my status. That is my tactics. I know they do juju, but anything I lay my hands upon prospers. You know why? I do it the different way and I bring down my price. So wetin you want to complain for? Where you no go make you no go patronize me? What do you want to complain for that will make you not to patronize me? If you can make Labubu, make Labubu. Use the Ankara wey you take sew cloth, take and make Labubu, so that your client will hang it on her back. If you cannot make Labubu, look for that accessory. There are many accessories. Look at them on my screen. There's hats. You can make hats. You can attach bag bag scarf. There's this scarf they used to tie on bag. You can attach it. A lot of things. Instead, when you know, go give your client gift, make scarf for your client's bag. There's this scarf that they used to hang on bags. Make it. Your client will be grateful. She'll be grateful. God will bless our hustle. In Jesus' name.